Okay, now we're done with the stick. He's gonna climb up. Yeah. He's gonna show you guys how it's done here in Jamaica.
Monkey.
He's gonna go get some Guinep straight off the tree. Look at that, people. Look at that. How you reach up there already?
You see it nice people with there.
Yeah, man.
There upon it like a bird, you know?
Aye.
Yeah, like a bird. Watch out, pot in our tree. You see him shine?
Where is it?
I'm pot in our tree, man. See,
Oh,
see him?
yeah. So this here is what he's talking about. It's a type of bird.
That's a pot.
Boy, this tree is loaded, boy.
That's Jay. My girl picking up, not there, yeah?
Okay. We lost a hold of him. He's right up here. Let's go see where he is now. He's right.
Baba. No one none.
Up here, 1-1.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh-oh. But we need a bag. He's far up there in the tree. Look at this. Mind yourself, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
I get video, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I get video. Lord God. If you find YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Facebook. What does it look like that find them? Yeah, it's time for a pic. Now you have video.
Mm-hmm. No, man, you're gonna be a YouTube star. Watch out. It's raining. See? This is what the hype is about, Guineps. Then Jaja, when we crack it open, see it here? We crack it, and there's the seed in there with the flesh. You don't eat the seed, just eat the flesh. Clear.
Tell them to deal with them just boil hot water and soap on them.
Boil the hot water and put on the leaf.
Put pan in Guinea.
Yeah?
And everything come up. Chun.
Mm.
Like a chun like lion. Get everything.
And that no good.
my girl that she gone.
No.
What I woman that I'm like married. Yeah? So God should make them so nice if I want with beard. Yeah. God don't want with beard, we want to make woman so nice.
True. He's still up there.
Yeah?
It's taking too long to get a wife, so that's why they're going to leave.
Yeah.
And you have to stay now.
I have one party up there now. Yeah, I've seen them before.
Pato?
Party.
The night they said that's the one.
Yeah, but
Throw you up there.
I know a night in this up here. In sleep somewhere. I do keep dark at night, you know. We find somewhere to relax. You know, so one.
I know you're picking like you're not doing this again.
Exactly. I can put some for capital.
Yeah, man, he's not.
Auntie Diana always asked the Guinep.
Yeah. Wow.
Bumbo.
What happened?
I'm a mash off, man.
No, man, everything's in the same spot.
Eh?
Mm.
Come on there, mash off.
You want the tree to catch back next year too, you know. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Now, man, this come like pimento now, more your buck your beer.
Okay.
Yeah, more your reap your more beer, you know. I tell you with Jamaica fruit, if you ignore them, you cheat them.
Mm.
So the more you eat them, and more them beer. We can go to work and make our money, you know.
Easy.
Easy. Say what? I heard it. So we can come down now there.
Mm-hmm. This can fill up the whole of your bag.
I'm helping clean them up now.
We need a bag to put them in though.